Have you ever noticed how rare it is these days to actually sit with one thing and give it your full attention? We're constantly distracted. Our minds jump from one thing to the next. Messages, notifications, background noise, our own thoughts, and before we know it, hours are gone. And yet, there are people, a few, who somehow manage to get 10 times more done. They seem sharp, disciplined, locked in. So what's their secret? No, it's not motivation. It's not even talent. It's focus. And in a world like this, focus is a superpower. Whether you're trying to study, work, build a side hustle, or just learn something new, your ability to concentrate might be the most valuable skill you can build. And today, I'll show you exactly how to do it. But first, let's be honest. You're probably watching this video right now as a form of smart procrastination. And that's okay. Just do one thing. Grab a notebook and write down anything that hits you. One key insight, one reminder, one truth. That way, even your procrastination turns productive. Ready? Let's begin. Let's start with the first one, scattered focus. It's when your attention is stretched thin across many things. You try to reply to messages while studying, check emails during meetings, think about dinner while trying to read. You might think you're multitasking, but what you're really doing is exhausting your brain. Here's why. Your brain isn't designed to switch between tasks instantly. Every time you switch, your mind has to reload context. It's like opening and closing apps again and again on an old phone. It takes time, it drains battery, and it slows everything down. Now imagine doing this all day long. No wonder we feel tired without doing anything meaningful. Now contrast that with directed focus, where all of your mental energy points at one single thing. Nothing else matters. You're present, engaged, and flowing with the task. This is the state where real work gets done, where high performers live, where deep thinking, creativity, and breakthroughs happen. The problem is, getting to that state is becoming harder and harder. Why? Because your attention is under attack. 2. The silent killers of focus. Let me give you a simple analogy. Imagine you have just 5 units of focus available at a time. When all 5 are directed toward one thing, say studying, you enter deep focus. But the moment your phone lights up with a notification, ding, 1 unit is gone. Your mom calls you from the other room, another unit gone. Now you're working with 3 out of 5. You're still technically working, but your performance is nowhere near optimal. And what's worse? It takes time to return to full focus even after the distraction is gone. That little interruption, it costs you way more than a few seconds. And your biggest distractor? You're probably holding it right now. Your phone, even when it's silent, even when it's flipped over, the urge to check it just for a second is enough to kill your momentum. And once your focus breaks, it takes your brain around 20 to 30 minutes to fully get back into deep work mode. So no, it's not just a quick look. It's an energy leak. Every beep, buzz, or glance is stealing your potential. Now, I'm not telling you to throw your phone away, but when you need to focus, put it out of reach, on airplane mode, or even outside the room. Just 1 hour of true focus is worth more than 5 hours of distracted effort. 3. Your body is your brain's fuel. Most people think focus is purely a mental game, but here's the truth. Your body sets the stage for how your brain performs. Start with sleep. If you're getting less than 7 hours a night, your focus is already compromised. You might be awake, but you're not alert. On the other hand, 7 to 9 hours of restful sleep makes a massive difference in how sharply you can think. Then there's exercise. You don't need to lift heavy or run marathons. Even a 15-minute walk releases chemicals like dopamine and norepinephrine, which boost your brain's focus and motivation. Next up, water. Dehydration, even mild, slows your thinking. Ever felt foggy after waking up? That's your brain craving hydration after 8 hours without water. A simple glass of water in the morning can wake your mind better than coffee. And of course, diet. You can't eat junk all day and expect your brain to perform like a machine. Sugar crashes, processed food, heavy meals, they lead to brain fog. Opt for foods that nourish you, not ones that numb you. Your body and brain are a team. If one suffers, the other will too. And most importantly, don't aim to be perfect. Aim to be intentional. Even 30 focused minutes today is better than 5 distracted hours. If you got value from this video, you already proved you have the ability to focus more than most people. So now, use that ability, build it, protect it, and soon, it'll become your greatest edge.